everybody, if you're like me, you are stuck in this blizzard 2016. 1 to 2 feet of snow outside and it looks like it's still snowing and the wind is blowing. And I don't know about you, but I am seriously craving some sunshine, beach waves, and Taco Tuesdays, okay? So I'm actually going to revisit and share with you a trip that I took to California back in September 2015 to see my sister, and midway through, one of my favorite girls came along. Hey, Alex. And we had such a great time. We did some city hopping. We went to LA, we went to Santa Monica, we went to La Jolla, we went to San Diego. It was just a great time. So sit back, relax, enjoy the beautiful sun and the beach through this video, and make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yo me estoy cansando de la forma que me tratas. Hoy yo me voy de aquí.
A Jeep. We didn't know how to roll the windows down.
Okay.
Please.
I know we got something.
We didn't know how to roll the windows down, but here it is right there.
Look, girl.
What else we didn't know how to do?
Girl, we didn't know how to turn left, back out. It was a whole lot of things.
But look, we on the road.
We got it
We're
together
on the
now.
way to LA,
Woo!
Hollywood, Venice Beach. We're going to Santa Monica. We're just doing everything today. All right.
Let's get it.
If you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, tell your friends. Stay warm in this blizzard 2016, and I'll see you next time. Bye.